to go. We're on our way now. Alright. It smells so good.
Hope you doing what you want. What you want? Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm just coming back literally after Father's Day. I wasn't feeling good and I didn't even come back and vlog. Today I am actually, well, you know, it's pop swim day. So, it is another day. I was feeling so sick. I didn't even get to, celebrate Father's Day the way we wanted to. But whatever clips I have, obviously you guys will be seeing this. Yes. And, yeah, by now our actual Amazon registry is up, so it's in the description below. Our home warming our home warming registry on Amazon is up. So if you guys would love to support us and get us something for our housewarming, then you can definitely do so. It will be down in the description below on yeah, in the videos going forward, and I can also pin it in the community as well. And yeah, so thanks for everybody that will support us. And I just wanted to, yeah, I just wanted to say that. But oh gosh, I had a late night last night and I am looking like a crap right now. I know I don't even match my headband or nothing, but I don't even care right now because I'm dressed to go swimming. So that is what you are seeing right now. I'm gonna go get Pops ready. Oh shoot, my tea. And then we're gonna go swimming. I'm gonna take you guys to go run some errands with me because I gotta get some stuff done and get some stuff for groceries. And yeah, I'm trying to figure out what to make because I just want to make something different. But yeah, so we're trying figure out what to make for dinner tonight. And yeah, gonna come back home and cook. And that's pretty. Ramara, come out to the bag. Okay, but let me get him dressed because it's almost time for us to go. And we will see you guys outside. We're going through a heat wave this week. So you guys stay hydrated. Check on your loved ones. Check on families and friends. And yeah, just be safe out there, guys. The weather's getting, I love it though. I ain't complaining. It's a heat wave, but I haven't been complaining because, well, we've been cool and stuff. And yeah. I love not being bulked up in clothes, so I am good. Romario, his other teeth is coming in, so he's extremely whiny. So, oh no, I forgot to get the thing to brush his hair. Okay, I'll check in with you guys when I reach in the car. Okay, guys, so I just left out. We're on our way now. Oh Lord, it is. What's the temperature here? Really hot out. Go bus, go. Disgusting sometimes on the road. So it is what time? It is. Oh, well, it says 27 out here so far. So. But you can tell the heat is on because not even the wind is blowing. Yeah, not even the wind is blowing, right, Papa? So I guess I'll just catch up with you guys when I come back after swimming is done. Yeah, I'll just do that instead. may wind the window down. So come back when we reach where we are going. So I look like a little wet rat right now because I just finished swimming and showered. Say hi, Papa. Okay, so we are on our way out now to go run some errands. Oh, the temperature is 34 and the humidity, it makes it feels like it's what, probably almost 40 out. Yeah, I am just sweating like crazy. I had sprayed some body spray on me, so I'm just waiting, and my hair is like extremely wet, like crazy wet right now. So I'm just waiting. Well, hopefully I'm gonna wind the window down and hopefully it will dry, because it's short hair, so it shouldn't take long to dry. I tried to dry it out, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I will catch you guys in the store. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the store. I got my list, so I got my list and stuff and that, so I'm just gonna go play some music and yeah, catch you guys in the store. I'm not even gonna open up the sunroof, too hot for that. So it's literally a heat wave out here. Holy moly. It, guys, whew. It is a Shana up in here. It fell asleep on me, and so I had to take the stroller out. And then, then I was struggling with it. But after that, I became okay with it. But the problem was, he woke up now. And wake up after me already something new with the stroller. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, my hair is drying, but it's drying curly. I need shaver heads as well. Some shower powder. So they have this new, there's this natural coconut oil. Oh, you're just there smiling away. Yeah, okay, so those are, let me see, how much is the, oh, it's still $89. Still $89. All right, so, it's quite quiet. Oh, let me check something. Hold on, Papa. Okay, so Papa. Okay. Let me see something. Okay. Oh man. Store in here soon. Empty, guys. Empty. Got the robot in here cleaning. Oh, it came out with the ACs. Okay. I have to come out with the AC and all the fans.
I bring it down.
Okay, you're actually right.
Like it gets really hot.
People are buying them up. Everybody is getting ready to go camping and stuff. Okay, wait. What's it that I need? You know, sir? Let's go. I think I need laundry detergent as well. Let me pick up one of these. Look at these. It smells so good. Oh, gosh. Love me a smell of laundry soap. This is the lavender. Oh, these ones smell good too. Smell good, Papa? We'll get this one. So this is my shopping basket. has to become my shopping basket because of pops. Okay, let me see. Vibrant. Gum gum. Yeah. I think I still should have enough laundry soap. Yeah, I don't think I need any. I know I needed those. Oh, and I need. Let me see. This is not bad at all. 2 for $9. So you have 2 for $9. You get 70. So you get 170 and 70. That is 140. Or pay $10, almost 11, and get 200. Which one do I want? That's 80 sheets still. 200. So this is the fresh air. That one smells good, Papa. Let me smell this one. This one smells good too, but calm. We'll go fresh air. Yeah, you need new ones. They're the ones that I want. Original. Let me see. Woo, oh my. So 120. And those ones are with the odor boosters. So it's to gain an odor defensor. We'll get these ones. Okay, so I need this for the laundry. Alright, and I still stock up on bleach, so I am good there. And then I'm still stock up. Oh, they got these for, is this for babies? Oh, shoot. Oh, Pops, they have pods for you. How much comes in this? 45. This is 45 load, but this is like $20. Well, at least I know the pods are here. So yeah, they have baby pods now. That's so good. Okay, all right, Pops, let's go. Okay, so I think I just need cereal for you, and then I should be good. Okay, don't need to go down this. Actually, let me just check something down here quick and fast. Yeah, let's check some down here quick and fast, Pops. Let me see. 34. Okay. Well, still can't beat the price that I got them for. Look at that. So, okay. You need a pack of these. Let me get you a pack of little swimmers. Oh, and I need a swimsuit for you. So what is this? Fit the Gap. 20. Medium 20 to something. Okay, so maybe these ones will work. These ones. You want these? Want me to get you these? Yeah. Oh, let me press the button. No, they always put those things in there, man. Okay, Mommy's gonna eat some treats. Let me grab you cereal. Oh, they have them 2 for $9. So let me grab 4. Yeah, let Mommy grab 4. Okay, so Babs. So I didn't even get to show you guys me grocery shopping because it has been crazy. I just got in the car. It's like 41 degrees in here. Pops literally just fell asleep. So just from the grocery store to home, we're home now. He literally fell asleep. He's sleeping, but I'm keeping him under the AC. It didn't even take us not even 10 minutes to get here, and he's sleeping. So I'm waiting for Faith them to come, so they can whoops. Oh gosh, wrong thing. Yeah, so they can help me to get the groceries out. Oh my! Literally just got in, and my hair is a mess. It is hot. I mean, it is. I will put that in there. Oh.
I took a little scoop because I
So
looked
why
at
didn't you just
Memphis.
finish it?
Memphis ate the whole thing. There was a full thing in here. Memphis
Yeah, because
ate
I
it.
know Memphis is good for that, eating out the ice cream and then leaving one little scoop.
And he's like, I could charge you. I could tell them that it's theft. No, shut up.
So no, you can't.
Like you yammed it. I would tell
So,
them that you stole first.
yeah. So I'm all done, and well, we're just packing out the groceries, guys, before everything melt, and that's pretty much it. Then we're gonna get cooking. I think we're gonna do chicken parmesan with some garlic bread, and then yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing for dinner. So she's asking if she looks sexy cleaning the fridge. Well,
No, you look amazing.
wiping now. Can't see anything, but you're behind.
You know what it is? Exactly. Isn't that
But
Fiat?
yeah.
Fiat. Let me tell you something. Don't put your dirty ass on me. It's
Oh my god.
Get it?
So how you stop in between packing out the groceries and they eat the ice cream? Yeah, and Romario fell asleep like I showed you guys. Oh, my stomach. So I'm gonna try and do these. Try and start cooking, and then well, obviously the vlog probably won't be up today because it's supposed to be up today, so I'll probably most likely put it up either tomorrow or the next day, because I gotta edit this bad boy as well and upload it, and we'll see how long that's going to take. So yeah, I'll just come back when we're finished picking out the stuff, guys. Hold on. Yeah, I'll come back when we're done packing out. That's what we're doing. So, Faith is there cleaning away.
You, I look.
You look what? Oh gosh. Yeah. So, but like I said, if you guys, cooking oil is on sale now. This week, so you can still be able to get it if you want. So, yeah, and that's it. Oh, Faith is doing what is garlic bread with cheese, and then those three there are for Mario. So, because Mario don't like garlic bread, so we have to make
It's very weird. Not liking garlic bread and it's very good.
Huh? Oh, you have to do this.
He's the only person that doesn't like it.
His
Even
one
with
is
Mario,
different.
chows down on it.
Yeah.
But you get some egg roll. I mean, some rolls.
What I should have probably done is flatten those ones a bit. Flatten it down and then put it on it. Or I could have cut it open. But that's okay.
I thought about doing that, but then I put the butter on it, and I was like, no.
No, too late. I'll just flatten that one down when you put cheese on. So, yeah.
Oh my god, there's cheese all over the tray.
Alright, guys. So, there is dinner. We are about to chow down because your girl is hungry. And, yeah, that is pretty much it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And, yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.